Synthux Academy. A bit of a different video this time. I want to test the Simple Touch with a looper that Vlad Litvinenko wrote. Also with a mix of the feedback synthesizer Infrasonic Audio wrote. When I say wrote, they basically wrote all the code. All the sound that you're hearing is them. So what I want to try to do is to see if we can record some stuff into the looper, like this, and play with it and see if we can make music with it, because these are just experiments, right? All these instruments that we're creating here, the idea is to learn how to program and how to solder and how to prototype your own ideas, but would it music? Let's get to it. Before we get started, I want to show you how this thing is constructed. And actually, before we get to the construction, just so you know, you could download the code on our GitHub page. So this is Synthux Academy on GitHub, and you can go to Daisy Touch Examples, and this is the looper. This is actually the code that Vlad Litvinenko wrote. If you want to grab one of these synthesizers, it's actually this one on our shop. So if you go to Synthux Academy, and that's pretty much it. Let's get back to the video. So we basically have a mixer here. See, 3 different potentiometers. Each of them controls one channel of the looper. So we have one channel, this one, and I can hold and then change the pitch and change the position of the start point. Let's get the volume a bit up. And here I can change the length of the loop. It gets pretty granular. It's pretty cool. Okay. And that's the volume, and the volume is controlled even when you don't touch. So you can perform it mix in, mix out. Okay, now we have, we also have a decay here. Okay, and then we have also, on the second track we can have a different thing. So let's get the second track on.
We can.
Like this, and then on here we can have another track. So it's all the same recording, but we get different bits from it. We can have different behaviors. Here on the side I have the KO2. I'm just gonna play some drums on it. Here I have the feedback synth, and this sounds like this. We have a carpal strong circuitry or code. Carpal strong is like a resonating string that is controlled here, so that's the amount of resonance, and the further you go here it basically gets to more distortion. This is the pitch of that string, and then here we have reverb, so the sound goes directly into the reverb and then into a filter and then back to itself, and this is like a feedback loop here. And then it goes into a delay, tape delay, and to the volume. Let's get started with the performance. Can this actually music? What's he building there? Alright, I think it's safe to say that there's good music, but I need to practice a little bit more. This is, to be honest, the first time that I'm playing this and recording at the same time with two cameras, so it's a bit tricky. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this project interesting. Check out our community on Discord, the shop, Synthux Academy /shop, and I'll see you online.